Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you the best in beauty tech. Today, we're talking about something that's likely to make your daily routine not just easier, but smarter. The G5S Smart Electric Toothbrush. If you've ever struggled to make sure you're brushing every single area of your mouth, you might want to stick around. This toothbrush promises a more personalized brushing experience, especially with its unique smart display that shows exactly where you're brushing. It's designed for both adults and kids, so if you're looking to elevate the brushing experience for the whole family, this could be a game changer. Before we get started, if you're finding this review helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest, in-depth review on Beautyistic. Now, let's get into the G5S Electric Toothbrush. The G5S Smart Electric Toothbrush comes packed with features that make it stand out in a crowded market. First, let's talk about the smart display. This isn't just any ordinary toothbrush. It's got a real-time tracking system that monitors all 6 zones of your mouth as you brush. You can see exactly where you've been and where you still need to go. For someone who's struggled with reaching certain areas during brushing, this visual guide is a game changer. It helps you brush until 100% clean, ensuring no spot is missed. Now, this toothbrush isn't just about the tech. It's got some serious power behind it too. With up to 79,000 vibrations per minute, VPM, the G5S offers a high-speed cleaning that ranges from gentle to strong. This covers everything from a soft, gentle cleanse to a deeper clean that really gets into the nooks and crannies of your teeth. It also follows the dentist's recommended bass brushing technique, so you're not just getting clean teeth, but you're doing it the right way. In terms of modes, you've got 5 personalized settings to choose from: beginner, whitening, fast, massage, and gentle. This customization is perfect whether you're new to electric toothbrushes or if you're just looking for a more specific type of clean. Plus, the built-in smart timer pulses every 30 seconds to guide you through brushing each quadrant of your mouth, making sure you're brushing for the full 3 minutes recommended by dentists. You don't have to worry about timing your brushing or counting seconds. This toothbrush does it all for you. Let's talk about the battery life. The G5S features a rechargeable battery that lasts an impressive 150 days on a single charge. That's perfect for travel, especially when you don't want to fuss with finding an outlet every few days. The included travel case is sleek and portable, making it easy to bring this toothbrush along on business trips, weekend getaways, or even overseas vacations without the need to recharge constantly. Now, when it comes to gifting, this toothbrush is a solid option for anyone in need of an upgrade. The G5S comes in a complete gift kit with the toothbrush, 2 soft W-diamond brush heads, caps, a travel case, and a USB cable. It's a thoughtful gift that's not only practical, but a great way to get someone into a healthier brushing routine. And with a 1-year warranty and VIP support for an additional year, the brand has your back in case anything goes wrong. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on the G5S, the link is in the comments. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The smart display is a standout feature. Being able to track your brushing in real time and ensure you're brushing every zone effectively is huge. The 5 brushing modes give you flexibility, and the 3-minute smart timer helps ensure you're brushing thoroughly. The long battery life is a major plus for anyone who travels frequently or just doesn't want to worry about recharging all the time. The overall build quality is solid, with a sleek design and an easy-to-carry travel case. Now for the cons. While the smart display is great, it may take some getting used to for users who prefer a more traditional toothbrush. The price point may be higher than some basic electric toothbrushes, but with all the tech and functionality, it's something to consider based on what you're looking for in a toothbrush. In terms of value for money, it depends on what you're looking for. The G5S is a little on the pricier side, but considering the smart display, customization options, and 150 days of battery life, it definitely offers great value for the tech-savvy person or family looking to improve their oral hygiene routine. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely cheaper electric toothbrushes on the market. But if you're looking for something with cutting-edge features and long-lasting battery life, the G5S stands out. Brands like Sonicare and Oral-B offer similar models, but the G5S's smart display and long battery life might be what pushes it ahead in this category. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a smart, high-tech toothbrush that takes the guesswork out of brushing and offers a customized experience for the whole family, the G5S is a solid option. The smart display, 5 modes, and impressive battery life are key strengths. It's definitely not the cheapest option out there, but if you want a toothbrush that helps you improve your brushing habits while being packed with modern features, it could be worth the investment. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you're ready to take your oral care game to the next level, check out the link in the description to grab the G5S. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.